Today we're going to test how long you can remember things. First, carefully look at these pictures. Then we'll see if you can remember them or not. So, let's begin. Tell me, which house did you see first? Now tell me, which helicopter did you see first? Now you're probably starting to forget things. If yes, drop a like. You probably forgot them all, but if you still remember, write all your answers in the comments. The people with the correct answers will be announced as winners in the next video. Subscribe for more fun quiz challenges.